Hey, I think everybody's seen the breakfast boat by now, but you haven't seen the way I make a breakfast boat. It's kind of like a shrimp omelet, Mary's French bread. Let's get this cook going. Got a little olive oil there. I've got 3 andouille sausages chopped up. I won't need all 3, but that's what I chopped up. I'll use it on other stuff this week. Just want to brown this sausage up a little bit. Yeah, you can see, hopefully, I've got a 2-zone set up. I still got some flame going over there, so I'm trying to keep this frying pan away from the flame. Got wind gust up to 35 miles an hour today, so I hope the audio is not too bad. I'm going to put some mushrooms in here. Got about a cup chopped up. And I'm going to add in 1 jalapeno, half a red pepper, and about 2/3 of a diced up shallot. Let me get that over there like so. That's close enough. I'm just going to cook this up till the mushrooms get soft, the shallot gets soft, probably around 5 minutes. You can see we're starting to brown up. Mushrooms are softening. Those onions are getting translucent. Scallions, if that's what you want to call them. Now I'm going to get this off of here and let it drain on a paper towel so we can get some of that oil off. I've got about, I don't know, that's not a cup. I would say that's probably somewhere between 1/2 and 2/3 of a cup of fresh spinach. I just want it to soften up a little bit. Won't take much at all. See, I got a piece of that mushroom in there. That won't hurt a thing. Here I've got 8 eggs and probably a 1/4 cup of half and half. Now we just want to whisk these together. What I've got here is a big old piece of French bread, all right? Now, you can see I cut the top off. Actually, I had some help cutting it off, but it should have been cut like this. It's a little bit too wide. It's fallen down a little bit if you notice. You want it to stay kind of together like so, but I think we can make this work. I'm going to take those eggs, put those eggs in here. See, I'd really like it if this side stood up more. In fact, I'm just going to throw this extra bread away. So I'm just going to put it in there to prop up that side like so. And now let me just pour a little bit more of that egg. We had 8 with about 1/3 of a cup of cream. We're going to get most of it in there. I don't want to get too much. Now we got our sausage goodies, right? Sausage, pepper, shallot. Yes, sirree. You can see I'm going to go over the edge because it just didn't cut the bread quite right. But we're going to make this work. Now I've got some fresh chopped up tomato. Probably not even 1/4 of a cup. And then that's right. I went to the seafood market. These are fresh Mayport shrimp. Not going to have a lot of room here, but I'm going to fill them up as many as I can. Then I'm going to take that little bit of spinach. Now you could have put more spinach in here, but I didn't want to water down my protein. Right? There's a little bit more of that spinach. See if I can't hold that side up. I'm going to throw that piece of bread away over here anyway. You can see we got her there. A little bit more shrimp. I'm making this for Tammy's mom. She loves, loves, loves shrimp. That's what she looks like. Let's get this Weber top back down. I hope you can see that. We're running about 425. I'd rather it run close to 350. You can see she settled in about 360, 370. We've got these vents finally adjusted just right. Eggs still a little wet. 15 minutes. You can see those shrimp are starting to get done. That's why you don't need to pre-cook them. Now I'm going to come in here with the little Kobe Jack. That's right. Can't have one of these delicious shrimp omelet breakfast boats without a little cheese. Okay. I think that's enough. Then I'm going to come in, because this egg will be done before long is what I should say. This is some chopped up chives, right? It's going to give it some nice color. Let me get the lid back down on this Weber. We'll probably let it go 10 more minutes. We got our breakfast boat here. Look at it. Shrimp, goodness, cheese. Smells super good. We're going to cut this bad boy right down the middle so you can see what it looks like. Oh, there she is. There she is. We're talking total cook time, close to 40 minutes. Just what it took. Now, look at the shrimp. Look at the deliciousness here. I hope you can see that. Mmm. That's what I'm talking about right there. Eggs just still a little soft, not too overdone. Shrimp are perfect. Get a little garlic. Very, very back end, a little bit of that jalapeno. This is a brunch. Too bad I don't have any champagne. Hey, thanks so much for watching.